Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today this video is about Microsoft's Windows 11 Insider Preview build, 25324, which is released to the Canary channel. As a reminder, builds released to the Canary channel are hot off the presses. Microsoft will offer limited documentation for builds flighted to the Canary channel, no known issues for example, but we will not publish a blog post for every flight, only when new features are available in a build. Moving forward, and talking about what's new in this build. Firstly, we have evolved Widgets board. Microsoft is beginning to preview a revamp of the Widgets board experience, with a larger canvas, 3 columns if supported by the device, and dedicated sections for widgets and feed content, with a clear separation between them. This will provide users with quick access to glanceable content from their apps and services, as well as enable users to take a high-value break with personalized news content. As always, Microsoft is beginning to roll this out, so the experience isn't available to all insiders in the Canary channel just yet. Next to that, we have USB4 settings page. Microsoft is adding a USB4 hubs and devices settings page for users under Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, USB4 hubs and devices. USB4 enables new productivity scenarios for docking, high-performance peripherals, displays and charging. The USB4 settings page provides information about the system's USB4 capabilities and attached peripherals on a USB4 capable system. These insights are meant to assist with troubleshooting in case users need support from their device manufacturer, OEM, or system administrator. However, if the system does not support USB4 with the Microsoft USB4 Connection Manager, this page will not be displayed. To confirm whether your system is USB4 capable or not, check for USB4 host router populating in the device manager. Moving forward, we have unsafe password copy and paste warnings. Starting in Windows 11, version 22H2, enhanced phishing protection in Microsoft Defender Smart Screen helps protect Microsoft school or work passwords against phishing and unsafe usage on sites and apps. Microsoft is trying out a change starting with this build, where users who have enabled warning options for Windows security under App and Browser Control, Reputation-Based Protection, Phishing Protection will see a UI warning on unsafe password copy and paste, just as they currently see when they type in their password. As always, Microsoft is beginning to roll this out, so the experience isn't available to all insiders in the Canary channel just yet. Lastly, we have SHA3 support. Starting with this build, Microsoft is adding support for the SHA3 family of hash functions and SHA3 derived functions. The SHA3 family of algorithms are the latest standardized hash functions, by the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST. Support for these functions has been enabled through the Windows CNG library. So, these were some of the new things and features introduced to this build. Moving forward, and talking about changes and improvements made in this build. For widgets, Microsoft is beginning to roll out animated icons for widgets on the taskbar. The animation triggers when you hover or click on the widget's taskbar entry point, or when a new widget announcement is displayed on your taskbar. Currently, only a few weather and finance icons are supported. For search on the taskbar, once you have access to the new Bing, the search box on the taskbar will include a button that opens the Bing chat experience in Edge. If you don't have access to the new Bing, the search box on the taskbar will feature a dynamic search highlight button. Microsoft is beginning to roll this out to insiders. Not everyone will see it right away. For input, Microsoft has updated several simplified Chinese fonts in the Microsoft Pinyin IME to support GB 18030 to 2022. With this update, you can enter and display characters from conformance level 1 or 2, via the additions to Microsoft Yahoo, Simpson, and Dexian. Unicode extensions E and F are now supported in Simpson XP font to meet the requirements for level 3. For settings, as part of the deprecation of Microsoft Support Diagnostic Tool, MSDT, and MSDT troubleshooters, Microsoft has begun redirecting some of the troubleshooters found under Settings, System, Troubleshoot and in other areas of the OS to the new Get Help troubleshooting platform. Also, if you have multiple cameras that support Windows Hello, you can now select your preferred camera under Settings, Accounts, Sign-in options. Lastly, for File Explorer, made some changes which should noticeably help and improve the performance of the calculating phase when sending a large number of files at once in File Explorer to the recycle bin. So, that was all from Microsoft for this build. If you want to know more, follow the link to the official Microsoft blog from the description. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.